Hi guys, how's it going? Finally got around to putting this video together to show you the new workshop that you can see around me here. There's various bits of it. You've got a little tour at the end to show what everything over there is and everything over here. There's no shots of the build. The guys who came to put it up didn't want to get filmed doing it, which is fair enough, that's alright. And yeah, you get to watch me smash the old one to pieces. So here it is. Right, well this is the official last day of the shed. See some horribly wet insulation over in that corner. Yeah, this is it. You're probably not seeing that much because it's not exactly very big, but yeah, this used to be where the magic happened. And it has lasted well, but as you can see, ceiling height is not exactly massive, and I'm not the tallest bloke in the world, so even I struggle. And there was only really room for one bench, which used to live there, and a few shelves, and that was about it. So what will be returning will be something a lot bigger. So we've got all the wiring down there. Must make sure I don't play with this today. Just an idea. So next thing to do is to get the hammers out. So here we are, finally got round to finishing this video, even though the workshop has been up and running for, I don't know, 3 months, something like that. Give you a quick wander around the Bench of Doom, which is currently having this, well, Les Paul having some major surgery done to it. Chisels that, you know, need sharpening. So basically this is my view all day. This is what I get to see, which is not too bad. We've got some other bits and bobs over here. Generally this is used for wiring when I can get to it. At the minute it's being used as a shelf, which is fair enough. Ashdown out there with some various guitar bodies in states of routing and prepping for paint. New toy, the new toy, desperately needed and works quite well. Huge amounts of shelving, which goes from all the way up there, all the way, and actually goes all the way down there, and then there's a big cupboard in there as well. So there's lots of stuff in there, from normal sensible stuff, you know, glues and fillers and things like that, to, you know, a random box of screws, which is kind of pointless. Yeah, what else have we got around here? We've got this door. We have a door. In keeping handle, seemed like a good idea. So in here, we've got the spray room. So we've got lots of room in here to be able to table spray something, so have a body laid down. We can hang a whole body down there and spray. And then we've got an area over here that's, ooh, I wonder what that body's going to be. Well, you can, you know, prep stuff and get stuff ready and things like that. We've got some various bits of wood here that are getting some true oil treatment to just have a look. And I actually have another fan. So it's rather big, but you know, when you're spraying nitro in here, it's kind of helpful. So this is the huge workshop. Well, it's much bigger than the old one. And what else? There's some bits there, all kinds of various paraphernalia, something to keep health and safety happy, you know, usual stuff. So yeah, that's about it.